Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to increase Cash App loan limits. Unlike some apps, Cash App doesn't let you manually request a higher borrow limit. Instead, your limit is automatically adjusted based on your account activity and reliability. To set up direct deposits, have your paycheck or benefits sent directly to your Cash App account. Regular deposits show Cash App you have a steady cash flow. Also, use Cash Card frequently. Make daily purchases, online payments, or ATM withdrawals. The more you use it, the more activity Cash App sees. Maintain a strong account history by avoiding failed payments, defaults, or reversals, and keep a clean record increases trust. Just stay active in the app, send and receive money often, and buy or sell Bitcoin, invest in stocks, or use other Cash App features. It's important that there is no manual button to request a higher limit. Cash App runs automatic reviews and will adjust your borrow limit gradually as your account strengthens. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.